Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 3. Today we are exploring string operations. Strings are one of the most used data types in Python. In Python, strings can be created with single or double quotes. You can combine strings using the plus operator, called concatenation. F-strings make it easy to embed variables directly in your text. Let us create strings.py using NVIM. We define string variables using different quote styles. Concatenate them with the plus operator. F-strings use curly braces to embed expressions. The asterisk repeats a string multiple times. Python strings have many built-in methods. Methods are functions that belong to an object and modify or return data. Common methods include upper, lower, strip, split, and join. Let us create methods.py to explore string methods. Upper and lower change the case of characters. Strip removes whitespace from both ends. Split breaks a string into a list. Join combines a list into a single string. Python strings support indexing and slicing. Indexing uses square brackets to access individual characters. Slicing extracts a portion of the string using start and end positions. Let us create slicing.py to practice indexing. Python uses zero-based indexing. Negative indices count from the end. Slicing uses a colon to specify a range. A step of -1 reverses the string. Let us recap what we learned about strings. Strings can be created with single or double quotes and combined with plus. F-strings embed expressions with curly braces. Methods like upper and split transform strings. Indexing and slicing let you access parts of a string using square brackets. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore numbers and math operations.